Good morning, traders. Welcome back to the Chart Whisperer. I am Teppo, back again with another analysis video. So please do me a favor, hit the like there, subscribe, and follow with me for today's analysis. And as you know it, we begin right here with the Dow Jones. Dow Jones has been an uptrend for a while now. I think they've given me, I count 5 levels of rise. Yeah, I count 5. Okay, let's say I count 4 levels of rise, so I am still expecting them to reverse. I'm expecting them to have at least made the high of the week somewhere there and drop price down for us at least for a day or two. Might not even complete all 3 levels of drop on the high, on the 1 hour, but at least we'll have a little bit of a reversal for the week. As you can see on the 4 hour, I'm already in level 2 rise, so kind of explains why price has been in an upward trend since. But yeah, on the 1 hour, like I said, that's always my relevant one. I only want the reversal, so I am looking to go short here. And I'm going down to my 15 minutes. As you can see, the point of interest there is clear as day. I want price to come up here to yesterday's high. They hit it twice yesterday, in fact, this high, so there could be something 3 times. There could be something in this region. Could be some liquidity, so I want to see them come up here, maybe pin just a little bit higher, and then come back and reverse price for the rest of the day. Maybe even tomorrow as well. We'll see how that pans out, but I would like to see them give us a reversal pattern here and reverse there. Moving over to NASDAQ, they have given us 3 levels of rise. They've completed their cycle, so just like the Dow Jones, I want to short them. They have a very similar point of interest as well. Nothing fancy. I want them to go to yesterday's high. Let's just see what the ADR is. Nowhere near price, nowhere near the point of interest here. I want to see price come up there to yesterday's high, give me a reversal pattern here. Very important place for me. They only hit that high once yesterday, so if they just come back there again and give me a strong reversal signal, I will definitely be taking a short there. Maybe even tomorrow as well, but for today, we'll see how price plays out. I just want to go short for today. The pound rose out of level 3 there to get out of there, and then they've just been chilling there. 2 days now they spent in this area. Could have been collecting orders. Like I said, when I look at the high on the 4 hour, it does indicate that they are in level 2, so they could very well drop price for 1 more level on the 4 hour. But as you know, that's not my main focus. It just gives me some perspective when I look, because when I look at the 1 hour, I do see that they could make this a reset level and reverse. However, that is not my interest for now. I am still expecting them to rise and give me 2 more levels of rise, unless they reset and make it clear. Then I'll start thinking about shorts. But for now, I am just looking to go long there, and I can see there's a nice point of interest, last week's high, as well as the fact that it's it's actually on yesterday's low as well, and it's very close to the Asian session low. So if I can get a stop hunt low here, I'm drawing it all the way here because I prefer if the pin comes all the way down here and still closes above. Then that would be a nice high probability setup. Then I'll definitely be looking to go long there. Wary of the pound going long. I'm not quite sure about that, considering that all the other correlated pairs are going in the opposite direction. But until I've been given a clear position in that regard, I'm still looking for long positions here. If not, then I'll just stay out and come back once they have made their direction clear, or change their mind rather. EURUSD completed 3 levels of rise. They even pulled price back a little bit here yesterday. I'm going to see this as potentially my first leg of the peak formation high, so I want to go short on the euro. The ADR is a little bit too close to yesterday's high, but I won't rule it out completely. I think there's still some wiggle room there, so I will be looking to take a stop hunt high drop there. Actually, this is where I'm most likely to see something. I will be looking at this region here for some points of interest, because as you can see here, they kind of been respecting that, and then yesterday it looks like they went and grabbed liquidity above it and broke right below. So it's not completely likely that they come all the way to yesterday's high, but that's where I will be watching for price to come and give me a potential trade. I will also be looking at yesterday's low for the continuation pattern. I think if price makes an aggressive move down there, I'll definitely be looking to take them once they pull back and then drop down further. So I'll be looking at this for a continuation pattern. Those are my primary objective, but if they just go straight down there, then I'll also be looking to take a position. AUDUSD also is in my level 3. Took them quite a while to get there, but I definitely want to reverse price there. Well, I want to short price. I'm expecting them to reverse. They've been in that region for a while, this little area here, so there could be some liquidity there, especially because you can see that those are just pins. So I want to short here. I am expecting, hopefully this could be another leg here. If they could come all the way to yesterday's high, give us a reversal pattern, I am going to be short here for sure. That's if they do that. I won't be taking any continuations on AUD. That I'm not a big fan of where it could set up. So definitely not a fan of where it could set up. I'll be monitoring price here. Maybe if they force my hand, I'll take a continuation, but it would have to be such a high probability setup that I won't be able to stay out. Otherwise, I'm looking at this as my potential trade and just waiting to see how price treats this point here. USDCAD, I have decided to stay out of it until they break out of this range. I'm not a range trader, so this doesn't work for me. I want to see them get out of level 3. I'll keep monitoring price. It's still on my watch list, as of course I'm going to be here every day checking it out. But until they break that range, I am not going to take any trades. Although I do expect them to drop, even though I keep looking at, when I look at it, I do expect them to drop. But they've just been in this range for too long for my preference, so I'm just going to stay out there. Swiss franc has given us 2 levels of drop. Not a third level, to be completely honest. This did kind of come down, but this is still too close to me to this. I look at this as my consolidation period for level 2. So I'm actually expecting to drop price for 1 more level there. A simple stop hunt high drop will do for me. I know that this is supposed to be inversely correlated with the pound and the euro, but the level count's a level count, and I haven't counted 3 levels of drop here, so I expect them to drop here. Stop hunt high, normal procedure, high probability setup there. We take it short. I don't have any place for a continuation all the way down there, and at that point I'm pretty much done with the move. So yeah, I'm expecting them to drop price for 1 more level before we reverse. It could even be today. Honestly, they could be using this as their peak formation low, but I'm not convinced. I'm not sold on that. Doesn't make sense. So I expect them to give me a stop hunt high drop there. Could even be coming there. That's a nice strong point of interest in last month's high, but I was at the low. I think it's last month's low. But yeah, I want to see them come, give us a stop hunt there, reversal pattern and short for 1 more day. And finally, S&P 500, the same thing with Nasdaq and Dow Jones. I just want to see them reverse for a little bit, for at least a level. They have been rising for 4 levels, possibly even 5, depending on how you're counting. So I want to see them reverse. I want to see them give me a stop hunt high drop. Maybe this be the peak formation high. I'm just looking for this reversal for a day or 2 at the very least to complete the weekly cycle as well. Let me see if there's any continuation patterns. Can't take a, well, I can take a continuation pattern here, but I always prefer when it's close to the Asian box. But that won't stop me. If they come here and issue a very strong continuation pattern, I will be taking it short, because I do anticipate the S&P 500 to be dropping for at least 1 day, and possibly from the current level they're in. So I will be waiting with my alert here, but I'll also have one set up here just to see if I can't get a continuation. And that concludes our analysis for today. As you can see, quite a number of potential trades we could be looking at today. We might have some Yeah, could have some pips to grab today. So please join us in the Telegram channel. The discussion group is going. We have even different players on the watch list. This is just my watch list, but other traders have different things. They're sharing insights, what they pick up on the BTMM journey, and what they know about the market, and how they apply it to their trading day. So let's just join the group. Be a part of the community. Let's engage with other traders and see what we can gain from each other. And I guess that's it for today. I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Please trade profitably and have a prosperous day.